Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you what I bought today. This is the Stormtrooper from Star Wars. Okay, let's look at the box first. This is the Star Wars box. This is the Stormtrooper. Okay, let's open it now. Yes, this is the Stormtrooper. This is the bobblehead. So the look and quality of this bobblehead is great. As you can see, the plastic quality is great. Star Wars logo. And here is the spring mechanism for bobblehead. I can't wait to install it in my car and let the Stormtrooper speak for itself. Yes, I am the Stormtrooper. It also comes with these. These are the two side tapes. So you can install it anywhere you want. I will install it in my car. So guys, I wanted to show you this Stormtrooper. Yeah, if you like this video, then please click the like button at the bottom of the video. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That wraps up this video. See you guys later. Yay. Ooh.